In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Spotify playlist. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your device and head over to Spotify. Now make sure you're signed in to your Spotify account. And here, go ahead and head over to your library by clicking on the bottom right corner of your screen. On your library, go ahead and click on the plus button, which you'll find at the top right corner of your screen. Now click on playlist, and here go ahead and give your playlist a name. As for my playlist, I'll name it as sample. Once you've named your playlist, go ahead and click on the create button. Now in here, you'll be able to add songs to your playlist. You can search the song that you want to add using the search bar or select from the suggested songs, which you'll find here by clicking on the plus button beside each song. Now once you head back to your playlist, you'll be able to find all of the songs that you've added on your playlist, and that's how you can simply make a Spotify playlist.